Hey guys, it's Tori from Tori's Test Kitchen, and on this channel I make weekly content dealing with all things cooking, baking, and creating. And in this week's video, I'll be teaching you how to make the most creamy, decadent cheesecake. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Okay, let's begin.
For the chocolate graham cracker crust, you will need 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/3 cup of melted butter, and 1 1/4 cups of graham cracker crumbs. Whisk 1 1/4 cups of graham cracker crumbs with 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Next, add 1/4 cup of brown sugar and stir until well combined. Lastly, combine 1/3 cup of melted butter with a dry ingredient mix. Transfer the mixture to a 9-inch spring-formed cheesecake pan. Use a spoon to press down the mixture to create a compact crust. For the cheesecake batter, you will need 3 8-ounce packages of softened cream cheese, 2 cups of white chocolate chips, 1/2 cup of white sugar, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, 3 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Bring 1 quart of water to a roaring boil in a medium-sized pot. Create a double boiler by melting 2 cups of white chocolate chips in a glass bowl over the pot of boiling water. Stir until well melted and smooth. Next, add 1/2 cup of heavy cream and mix until well combined. Turn off heat and set aside mixture to cool. Dump 3 8-ounce packages of cream cheese into a large bowl and stir until smooth. Next, combine 1/2 cup of white sugar with cream cheese. Add 3 large eggs into the batter, one at a time. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Finally, combine the cool white chocolate and heavy cream mixture into the cheesecake batter. Transfer the batter into the prepared spring form pan. Tap the pan against a hard surface to help prevent air pockets from forming. Bake the cheesecake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit in a preheated oven for 55 to 60 minutes. Chill the cheesecake for at least 8 hours before serving. Enjoy!
Thank you so much for reaching the end of this video. If you've enjoyed this video or learned something new, please like, share, and leave a comment down below. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!